On the right-hand side, you're going to see our Egyptian geese. See one of our females on the left-hand side, a full-grown kilograms. Also on the Lions Fire, we've had to hand raise a number of our cats. This involves bottle feeding them every 2 hours, 24 hours a day for 3 months. After this, lions are very lazy creatures. They hang on top of the platform. A higher-ranking baboon, they are punished by tail biting, accompanied by screaming.
Just trying to let everyone see.
3 months of their lives.
Just keep rolling. Turn this wheel out, turn it here.
First off, you're going to see, some of you in the second and third car may be able to see the black bear that's under the log. You're also all going, although they really enjoy vegetarians is leaves, but they will also eat can reach a weight of 250 kilograms. Canada's natural entertainer. In the tub is Jane. She's our biggest black bear. On the left-hand side, you're going to see some giraffe. A few of our ostriches now. Just keep pulling forward. Alright, we all get a good look at the ostrich now. And we'll get a quick peek at our rhinos as we drive past. Although they look rather delicate, the white rhinoceros